Hello everyone, my name is Lottie Jackson and I work for Ottershaw Cacti, and if you have a passion about cacti and succulents, you're in the right place. I've always had a fascination with plants, especially cacti and succulents, as Ottershaw Cacti is a family-run business by my mum and dad. So I've been brought up surrounded by succulents my whole life. There's something incredible about the different shapes, colours and adaptations that succulents have. We grow and care for a wide range of succulents, from beginner-friendly favourites to rare collector plants, but there's always something new to discover. One of the things I love most is sharing growing tips to help you grow these amazing plants yourself at home. So in these videos you'll find propagation tips, succulent care, rare and unusual spotlights, repotting and introductions to different succulent species. Thank you for watching and taking the time to get to know me. If you would like to see more videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment below introducing yourself, and let me know if there's anything that you would like me to cover. And I'll see you in the next video. Happy growing!